Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a keyframe in Canva. So, if you're looking to edit videos in Canva, this video might be helpful for you. Here is the design where I want to add a keyframe. For example, I need to add a plane to it. Again, maybe like this, for example. And then I will flip it like this, and I will add an element. I'll just drag it here, make it full length, and then copy all the timelines using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. After creating it, you can see here, and after that, I'll just reposition the plane element, just like this. Again, I need to copy or duplicate this section. You can do it like this. Let me select the whole thing, select, and also Ctrl-V, and I will just duplicate here with Ctrl-V. So yeah, as you can see, I have duplicated the second one. Again, I will change the location and position of the plane. All right, now I'll be adding the transition between the clips. Add transition, and you need to go to Move, and Watch, and Move, and just add it. Do the same with this one as well. Add transition and move. So now let's see how it looks. Here is the button to review it. Go to the first second, and let's see how it looks. Maybe that's too long. Now, see how the plane moves, right? If you want to make it shorter, you can do that. This is how it looks when you've added a keyframe on Canva. So, in this way, you can move the elements like you've added a key. If you have any confusion or questions about this video, please comment below. I'll be answering all your questions. And if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.